Okay, so the last couple of questions ask what happens, where's the minimum? You could see by the intensity that it should be at 90 degrees and the maximum's at 180 and 0. So I'm right now, the first polarizer at 0 and the second one is at 180. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the second one off and I'm going to put it at 90 and we're going to compare it. Now it says to do this, to try and find it with your eyes, so we're going to try and do it with the iPad. So let me put it back on the train. Okay, so can you see the difference between this is at 90, and this is at 0. And all I did was change the angle of the polarizer. So this is at 0 degrees. And this is 90. Now, look at the color. Does it have a certain color to it? Does it look yellow, green? It looks a little violet, doesn't it? So even though the polarizers are completely cross, you actually can see that it looks quite dark here, and the only light you see is coming from the filament itself. So it almost completely extinguishes the light, but a little bit of violet light gets through. That's because this particular polarizer, it's the cheaper kinds of polarizers use iodine. They're called Polaroids. They're made by the Rand company way back in the 40s or 50s or something like that. Anyway, they use atoms of iodine on plastic, and they stretch the plastic, and the iodines line up. The thing is that the iodine does a really good job at extinguishing visible light, except for the very short wavelengths. It lets them through. So you can actually see that the purple light is getting through.